is the peanut butter? Oh no.
Oh Leo, hi, good morning.
It's definitely not a good morning for me.
Oh, I see.
I'm sorry, I was just trying to cook something for myself.
Well, it's okay, we must learn to cook for ourselves, it is very important.
Yes dear, I think so too. I want to learn how to cook.
Well then let's put the TV on, it's Chef Zafon time.
Chef Zafon.
The cooking adventure.
Welcome to our fun-filled cooking adventure. I am Chef Zafon and today we're going to learn some delicious recipes that you can cook all by yourself. Are you ready to become amazing little cooks? Let's get started. First recipe is super pancakes. It's super easy and you love making and flipping pancakes.
Let's get mixing, Chef Charlie.
Step 1. In a bowl add some flour, a pinch of salt and a dash of sugar.
Crackers in 1 or 2.
Great job. Now add some milk and whisk everything together until it's smooth. Now it's time to flip the pancakes. Hold the pan and flip them gently. Remember, be careful. Flip, 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 flip. Fantastic flips. Now it's time to add some yummy toppings like fruits and a drizzle of maple syrup. Next up is mini wedgie pizzas. You can create your own tasty pizzas with your favorite toppings.
Top me first, Chef Zafon.
Sure thing. Step 1. Spread tomato sauce on the pizza dough and don't forget the cheese. Of course, sprinkle some cheese on top. Now it's time to add your favorite egg cheese like bell peppers, mushrooms and tomatoes.
Don't forget the cheese.
Of course, sprinkle some cheese on top. Now it's time to add your favorite veggies, cheese like bell peppers, mushrooms and tomatoes.
We love toppings.
Great, now let's pop them into the oven and wait for them to cook.
I'm hot, be careful.
Oh, that smells so delicious. Our final recipe is a fruity yogurt parfait. It's a refreshing and healthy treat.
We're ready to be layered, Chef Charlie.
Step 1.
In a cup, layer some yogurt with your favorite fruits like berries and sliced bananas.
We're juicy and sweeto banana nana.
Keep layering until you reach the top. You can add granola too for some crunch.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
And there you have it, a colorful and delightful fruity yogurt. There you go, little chefs. I hope you enjoyed learning the recipes. Now you can cook them all by yourself anytime you want. Remember, cooking is not only fun but also a wonderful way to explore new flavors and share yummy treats with your loved ones. Keep exploring, keep cooking, and most importantly, have lots of fun in the kitchen.
So what are you cooking next, kids?
Wow Tia, the recipes look so easy and delicious.
I want to make them right now and eat it.
So do I, dear Tia.
Let's get cooking.
For your favorite rhyme stories and more, join my channel, subscribe here.
Kids on fun, kids on fun, kids on fun, kids on fun.